So let's begin with the most important part of this painting, which is the leaves of this coconut tree. And as we did in the sketching, the same manner we are going to take the lines, and I use first the plain sap green. Now I'm using a little bit of yellow over it. That is the gamboge yellow. As in the photograph, you can see yellowish leaves. So we do the center line first, which is always going to be a curved line, and then we'll draw the lines with a very thin brush starting from the center line towards the outside. And as of now, I'm not really touching the leaves completely to the stem. Later on you'll see I'll be adding more stuff there. And here I made the leaves directly only with yellow. The leaves which are curved downwards, sometimes towards the lower side, sometimes have just lines on one side and not two sides, because the other set of leaves are folded over the other side, which we cannot see from here. So accordingly you will manage. And there was another oops moment over there where I just picked up the paint luckily with my finger and it's not seen anymore. And if you noticed, I did use dark brown in the middle there. And now again back to the plain greens. And at the end I'm gonna add some details in the tree stem also, so don't miss out on that. And make sure you are using a really thin brush for this. You can also practice these thin strokes first on rough paper and then move on to the final sheet, so that your hand is steady that way on the final paper.